Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is disabled and prompting you to connect to iTunes, it usually means that you have entered the wrong passcode too many times and the device is temporarily locked for security reasons. So here are some ways to unlock it. Firstly, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then open iTunes on your computer. Once iTunes detects your iPhone, it will automatically sync and create a backup of your device, or if it does not, then simply tap on your name or your iPhone's name available there. After you tap on it, you will get to see some backup option or sync with iPhone option. You can sync it or back it up. So you can simply tap on the restore iPhone in the iTunes interface. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore iPhone to its factory settings. Once the restore process is complete, you can set up your iPhone as a new device or restore it from a backup. Or another way is unlock iOS screen option. You have to download 4 key from your website, and after that you will get to see the option unlock iOS screen and simply tap on the start option available there and just follow the basic prompt the app asks for. After following the basic prompt and instructions, you will get to see to remove the screen lock, and after tapping on remove you can see how it removes the screen lock successfully, and you can re-enter your password as in your iPhone will be like a new device. Now that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.